The great Emperor Alexander the Great wanted to reward a very good philosopher who had rendered a great service to him. He said, "Philosopher, ask what you want of me. Go to my treasurer and ask him whatever you want for the services you have rendered to me." The philosopher took the offer very seriously. He went to the royal treasurer and he asked 10,000 kilos of gold. 10,000 kilos of gold? The treasurer was shocked and he rushed to the emperor. He said, "I am not giving that philosopher what he wanted. Too much greedy for the services he has rendered to you. He could have asked 100 kilos of gold or 10 kilos of gold. This idiot is asking for 10,000 kilos of gold. That will clear off 75% of your wealth." The serious thought. Said, "Give him what he wanted. No problem, give it to him." But why? He has honored me 3 ways. First, he believed my word. I told him that he can take whatever he need. So he believed my word that I will give him whatever he need. Second, he believed in my wealth. Believed that I have everything that he asked. And thirdly, he believed my willingness to do what I said I would do. My friends, we have in our hands is the word of God. Do you believe it? This word reveals us the ability of our God to do the impossible things. Do you believe the ability of the words of God in this book? Not only reveals the ability, it also says that He is willing to do anything for you. Do you believe in His word? Do you believe in His ability that He will do impossible things for you? Do you believe that He is willing to do it for you? The word of God reveals to us the ability of our God.